This is a tour of the backstage of the Coldplay show in Lyon.
Let's do that one more time, ladies.
This is Coldplay, folks.